questions 11 through 20 on the 2016 Grade 8 Gauss Math Contest. In the diagram, triangle PQR is a right-angled. Point S lies on PR so that QRS is equilateral, and PQS is isosceles, with PS equal to QS. The measure of angle QPR is. Alright, so it's equilateral, so these are 60s, this guy and this guy. And this one angle is 60 also. Well, this was 90, so that means from here to here must be 30. So it's 90 minus 60. And then this is isosceles, so this angle, this 30, is also the same as that angle. So that's also 30 right there. And I believe that's what they wanted. QPR is that angle. So there you go. Number 11, the answer is E. Operations are placed in each circle so that 3, circle 5, circle 7, circle 9 is equal to 78. Listed from left to right, the operations are. So we have to fiddle around with this and see what we get. So we got 3, 5, 7, 9 is equal to 78. Well, 78 is a much larger number than 3 or 5, so probably going to have some multiplications in here. How about if I multiply this and this? We've got 15 and what is it, 63? And then if I add them, I'll get 78. Yeah, and that's it. So, like I said, it's just really just trial and error, fiddling around with those signs. So my signs are times plus times. Times plus times is choice E. Ahmed chooses 2 different items for a snack. His choices are an apple, an orange, a banana, and a granola bar. How many different pairs of snacks could he choose? For the first snack, he has 4 choices. For the second snack, because they have to be different, he has only 3 choices. Multiply and you get 12. Well, 12 is not one of the answer choices. Why is that? Because you have to divide 12 by 2 to get 6. Why do you have to divide by 2? Well, let's say he chose an apple and a banana. Well, if he had also chosen a banana first and an apple second, this is the same pair. So this 12 double counts. So that's why you have to divide by 2 to get 6 unique pairs. And therefore, number 13, the answer is D. 1 soccer ball and 1 soccer shirt cost $100. 2 soccer balls and 3 soccer shirts cost $262. What is the cost of 1 soccer ball? Ball plus shirt, $100. 2 balls plus 3 shirts, $262. Okay, 2 equations, 2 variables. Let's solve. Let's multiply this guy by 2. We get 2b plus 2s is equal to 200. And then let's subtract these guys, this and this. That'll give me s is equal to 62. And that means I can plug that back into here to get the ball. So b plus 62 is equal to 100. So b is equal to 38. And that's it. So number 14, the answer is A. A map has a scale of 1 to 600,000. On the map, the distance between Gauss town and Pyville is 2 centimeters. What is the actual distance between the towns? 1 over 600,000 is equal to 2 centimeters over the distance, which I will call x. So cross multiply and you get x is equal to 1,200,000 centimeters. Now obviously all the answer choices are in kilometers, so we've got to convert to kilometers. Okay, no problem. First, let's divide by 100 to get it into meters. And when you do, you get 12000 meters. And then let's divide by 1,000 to get kilometers. And when you do, you get 12 kilometers. So to go from here, I divided by 100. To go from here to there, I divided by 1,000. So 12 kilometers would be A for number 15. The mean of 6 numbers is 10. If 25 is removed from the set, the mean of the remaining numbers is, well, let's call them A, B, C, D, E, and F. And that mean, if you divide by 6, they're saying is 10. So that means the sum, A, B, C, D, E, F, all that, is equal to 6 times 10, which is 60. Now I'm going to call one of these 25. I'll just say that this guy is 25. So A plus B plus C plus D plus E is equal to 60 minus 25, which is 35. And then if I take the average of these guys, I have to do that by dividing by 5, since there's 5 remaining numbers. And that is equal to 7. So the remaining numbers have an average of 7. So number 16, the answer is B. How many positive integers between 10 and 2016 are divisible by 3 and have all their digits the same? All right, so first let's look at 2-digit numbers, and then we'll look at 3-digit and then 4-digit. 2-digit numbers: 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. Remember, the digits have to be the same. That's why I chose these guys. Now, how many of these are divisible by 3? 33 is, 66, and 99. Okay, let's do the same thing now. 3-digit numbers. So we got 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, and so on. All right, so now let's see which ones are divisible by 3. 111, is it divisible by 3? The answer is yes, because 111 is equal to 3 times 37. And what's interesting is that every one of these now is going to be divisible by 3. How do you know that? Because they're all multiples of 111, right? This is 2 times 111, this is 3 times 111, and so on. So all of these will be multiples of 3, since that holds true. Okay, that's great. Now let's look at the 4-digit numbers, and there's only 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, because 2, 2, 2, 2 is outside of this range. Is this one divisible by 3? And the answer is no. So now let's count the ones that we have circled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So number 17, the answer is B. Joe filled up his car's gas tank after traveling 165 kilometers. 3/5 of the gas in the tank was used. At this rate, approximately how much farther can the car travel before its fuel tank is completely empty? All right, well, we have 3/8 worth of gas for 165 kilometers. And then the remaining 5/8 will take him X kilometers, and our job is to figure out X. Well, 3/8 over 165 is the same as 5/8 over X. So cross multiply, we get 3 over 8X is equal to 5 over 8 times 165. The 8's cancel, so I get X is equal to 165 divided by 3 is 55. So it'll be 5 times 55. And that is 275. So number 18, the answer is E. The two scales shown are balanced. Which of the following is not true? All right. So from the first guy, we get that 2 circles are equal to 6 of those squares. So 1 circle is equal to 3 squares. And that is this guy right here. So this is true, so we can cross that off. From the next one, we get that 2 circles plus 6 squares is equal to 4 triangles. So this one told me that 2 circles are equal to 6 squares. So I can put here 2 circles like that. So that means 4 circles are equal to 4 triangles. So that means a circle is equal to a triangle. So this is true. We can cross that off. Okay, well, if circles are equal to triangles, that means a triangle is also equal to 3 squares. So this is true. We can cross that off. And then this one right here, triangle, triangle. Well, 1 triangle is equal to 3 squares, so 1 triangle is going to be 3 squares like that. But then a triangle itself is equal to a circle. So 2 triangles are equal to a circle plus 3 squares, which means this is true. So by process of elimination, the one that's not true for number 19 is D. In the diagram, what is the length of BD? Okay, so B to D, we want to draw a line connecting those points. And then this is going to be simple Pythagoras. So BD squared is going to be CB squared plus CD squared. Okay, CB from there to there, and we're going to have to add up the top to bottom distance. So it looks like 9 and 3, so 12. So 12 squared. CD, that distance looks like 3 and 2, so 5. Okay, this is 144 plus 25, which is 169. Take the square root, and BD is equal to 13. So number 20, the answer is A.